Hi, I'm Tony Spot, Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today I want to talk about kind of our barn and kind of our retail space and what we've done inside the barn. Historically, this historically being the 90s when we were open first, we did some crafts. A lot of my mom kind of handled that, along with some friends of hers. They kind of one the husband was a woodworker, so kind of had some wooden tractors, wooden toys. One was really into decorative wreaths. My mom, I don't know, Girl Scouts, thrifter, garage sale extraordinaire, just anything and everything, right? Did a lot of neat stuff with my sister in Girl Scouts. If you visit the farm, you see a lot of paintings, I'll kind of talk about it as I kind of walk around. Kind of did a little bit of everything. So when she passed away, the crafts and a lot of the barn stuff kind of went the wayside. We really scaled down the kitchen barn thing, only doing cookies and things like that. Where when she was alive, we had like pulled beef, barbecue beef, nachos, hot dogs. Really a lot of options. Just it went the wayside because we didn't have the time to dedicate to it and weren't really busy enough. Last year with my back injury, I kind of brought back the kitchen. So we're doing hot dogs, nachos, and chili. And this year I wanted to do more with the retail side of things, as I've mentioned. So we brought back down our old stands. And I purchased some mugs. I made some trees. I got some shirts and some merchandise and things like that. And it's just really a magical space in here. So I'm going to kind of walk around and talk and just kind of show you the different things. All right, so these two doors here are where you enter into the barn. They're kind of in the middle of the barn facing our parking lot. So as we spin around here, this is kind of what you're first looking at. We have our potbelly stove. Dad has really put a lot of effort into this. I don't know, he said he waxed it this year or applied some sort of varnish on it. He found a place to redo the chrome plating on a lot of the parts. And this is the main heat source of this barn. We're thinking about putting a little corner garage heater or something up there in the future. For now, just to kind of get the thing every morning. This is insulated and everything. To get it jump started, we have a torpedo heater down here that we kick off a little bit every morning just to kind of get it going. So storing the firewood inside for that. If you've been following the channel long, you know that we burn some of our the high stumps and things like that from the field. Obviously that doesn't get burned in here. Burned in here, that is done out in the fire pit. So inside we have a lot of seating, tables and benches, kind of have some flag displayed. We have a flagpole outside, and right now we have the flag open just to keep it dry and everything inside here. So this is our, what do we call it, the Christmas display. So obviously nothing's powered up right now, but these little animatronic, guys you see that you push a button. Dad had a friend that's into microcontrollers and things like that, and actually wired them into a controller, and they all now dance, talk, and do things in sequence. We have this old vintage ski slope thing. Actually mounts on a tree. I've never actually seen it on a tree, but the little skiers go around the thing, around the ski slope, small ice skating ring. This one is interactive. We let the kids reach over and kind of touch and turn these on. Little climbing Santa, just a neat display. And, kids like motion. So we have some solar jigglers, kind of call them the hillside jigglers that go back and forth. So there's a display that kids can kind of stand and take in, and parents take in too. Here we have kind of our Christmas sing-along. Got the old tube-style TVs. Got those laying around. And we talked about my mom painting. She painted all the kind of backup carolers. So we have a microphone looking out from on the stage. You kind of see the whole kind of barn area, right? So you're singing out to the crowd. Parents do it, kids do it. My kids do a lot of emceeing too. Kind of walking over here. Little wash station, little toy soldiers here. My mom painted those. This is kind of her hillside memorial kind of thing here. All the groups and the years, you know, our family pictures we did as kids. Yep, see? Me, I used to have red hair. It's darkened up quite a bit, but, you know, time goes on. So that's the memorial. Mom painted the 3 wise men here. We kind of get into our kitchen area here. Right now is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, so Friday we'll open up. We kind of restocked all the things from this past weekend. Again, here's our kind of menu offerings. Chili bowl, nachos and cheese, hot dog, chips, drinks, and prices. Kind of a 2 to 3 people in the kitchen, kind of work that. Kind of second year doing that, it's been working pretty good. All right, let's get into the retail merchandise stuff. So I created these trees with lights, talked about. We have our ornaments. We have our stands displayed. Snowmen that the kids made and painted. Mugs. A friend of mine at work, his wife makes the scented melts, so I offered up some space for him. I made some porch pots yesterday, so we have some of those for sale. Some more outside. Another type of ornament with a white background with the barn and the year. Got those from Tim Weberding, I believe is the pronunciation of the name. Then down below, just some tree bags, tree mats, and stands. Another ornament with a blue background. Has some candles, some lights. Really didn't put a price on these. I don't think I want to be too commercialized. I want to be more unique, right? So we made hot cocoa mug kits out of these. And just picked up today, we bought some snowmen and reindeer that we are going to offer up for sale. I didn't get them out this weekend. I picked them up today. So they'll be here ready for the big weekend. And lastly, a couple more trees with some fabric backing. Some that are just kind of plain with a shelf. And our hillside merchandise. One of the things I wanted to do was kind of not just have a hillside logo, but kind of make funny phrases. So we have an easily distracted by Christmas trees, are you for real, branch manager, real trees, real traditions, and then kind of a basic hoodie logo hillside one. We also have hats. And another thing is a local woodworker kind of took some of our Christmas tree stumps and things like that and created some actual wood products down here. Yeah, so that is it for the barn. You know, a lot of decorations. One of the time-consuming tasks is obviously flipping this thing over from, you know, what I refer to as production into our operation side. So hopefully we can do things in the future to make that a little more streamlined. Things like make the stage on casters so we don't have to assemble and reassemble it every year. I want to do some better things with the retail organization and display a little bit, how those are presented. So I got some work for this summer, but yeah, this is the barn. So hope everyone's season's going well. Good luck on this busy upcoming weekend. And yeah, thanks for watching.